move.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're still buzzing. Now, oh God, I stress out about this story because I just can't bother. Users of X, the social media network formerly known as Twitter, is really becoming the everything app, according to Elon Musk. Now, the social media company's owner said video and audio calls will soon be made available on the platform. In an X post on Thursday, Musk also named some of the feature's traits. Audio and video calls will work on iOS, Android, Mac, and PC, and no phone number will be needed. Musk also called X the effective global address book. Now, X's owner didn't disclose the specific launch date of the feature. However, Linda Yaccarino, X's chief executive officer, already said in mid-August that the feature would be rolled out.
Ever since Musk's acquisition of the platform last year, there have been numerous changes on X. Long-form videos, articles, and the ability to subscribe to favorite creators who can get paid if they're popular enough have been introduced. Now, it remains to be seen if video and audio calls are going to be only available to premium subscribers. Now, this is seemingly another step towards Musk's vision of X becoming the everything app, where users can chat, call, and pay each other for various services. Interesting. Now, the concept is tremendously popular in China with WeChat. The WeChat is actually more like several apps rolled into one. It is used for messaging, it's used for social media, for payments, subscriptions, utility bills, food delivery, plane and train tickets, ride hailing, and much more.
I mean, that's technology. It's technology, but it's also, the competition that happens there. For me, it's interesting to watch, but it's also some bit of annoyance mixed with what is going on, but also mixed with, how further this can go. So, for instance, one of the features that a lot of people have been tweeting about or Xting. What do we even use?
Just say tweeting.
Posting. If the word is not post, instead of retweet, it's not repost.
Right. Just say tweeting.
Yeah.
We're still saying
everybody's
tweet.
Still the same
We're
word.
Still here.
Creators are collecting a lot of money, and some of them are like ones who are very mischievous. Like they just send out things and it goes viral, and just collect a fact check. And then there's the misinformation, so the verification and all of that right now, you don't even know. So people are so the other day I even tweeted to them, like, how can I create mischief and make money? And somebody said, just tweet about politics.
Yeah.
Which was actually true, because if you start doing that, people are going to start retweeting and make money. So there's a lot happening, but audio and video going to be interesting.
I feel like I like the days when you go to Instagram to post your pictures of your family, blah, blah, blah. You go to Twitter for go chat. Yeah, me like Shein and da. Yes, you go to Facebook to also. I don't think now. I think it's a mistake, and we're going to see it's going to be a mistake to try to make this one app be everything to everyone. Nothing. We all know the thing. Nobody can be everything to everybody without losing some of what you are. Mm. You know what I'm saying? And then so I think he's going to. I think he's a little. The app now feels a little neurotic to me, a little all over the place, and I don't even know how to.
I think it's because of him.
Yes, because he's neurotic. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
But the good thing is, competition is there. They will launch things and it will not work. Instagram launched Threads, and the percentage usage now is like 3/4 or 1/3.
But I love in the first day. They're like, yes, it's the most popular launch. It's because it's the first day. Yeah, let's check it in 3 weeks. 3 weeks is like, nah. Yeah, so we're going to keep an eye on this one. Speaking of keeping an eye, listen. The super blue moon, one of the biggest and brightest moons of the year, rose on August 30th, inspiring skywatchers around the world to reach for their cameras and capture some incredible photographs. Now, the last super blue moon for 14 years rose over the eastern horizon just after sunset on Wednesday night at around 7:10 p.m. It then set just before sunrise on Thursday, August 31 at around 6:46 a.m.
The latest full moon is referred to as blue moon, a term that can represent one of two things. Either the third full moon in a season that has 4 full moons, or more commonly, the second of 2 full moons that fall into a calendar month. And similar to the previous full moon on August 1st, this blue moon was a supermoon, a popular term for a full moon that occurs when our natural satellite is closer to Earth, making it appear just slightly larger and brighter in the sky. Another supermoon is set to appear in 2037. What are we going to be doing then?
What is Twitter going to be doing then? It's going to be called A. Anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? You got it. Nobody.
Yeah.
Anyway. Yeah, it was beautiful. Did you see it? It was beautiful last night though.
Yeah, last night.
Yeah.
Night before last into yesterday.
Yeah.
This morning it's set our night.
But last night it did bright. So last night when I was coming home from filming, it was like.
Yeah, but I mean, it's interesting. Of course, my favorite part of daytime live, I love to give shout outs. Of course, when I was leaving the house, my mother, Jennifer, and the kids, she and her grandchildren in the home. Hey, whole summer, Whole summer, mommy had do teaching with them and reading and all sorts of stuff. So my nephew, they go home Monday. Yes, Sunday. Good. But shout out mommy, Jennifer, and my nephew, and his cousin, and that's their Codine and NJ. I just got a tweet that I need to give a shout out as well to Andy, one of my, me and her born same day. So celebrate birthday together. We have a group of like 4 of us, all born on January 12th. So Andy, big up yourself. I know you're down in the hospital saving lives. Thanks for your service. You know some love this.
I know. I'm like, Joel is flowing. He's on a flow.
And I think my friend down by ministry watching, Simone, big up yourself. That's why I'm happy so we talk about the uniform. So I got to tell Fayeval, say, she need to turn the thing into a law.
So we also have a shout out from Ian to Tyro. Big up yourself. That's from Mummy Cat, is it? Mummy Pat. Yeah, so big up yourself, daytime shout outs. And on that note, daytime now will be right back, and Joel is here, so all we're doing is chatting.
Yes.
Have more chat. Chat.